materials palette for the Beach Samui is really entirely individual to the specific location and to the character of the resort. That's expressed both architecturally and decoratively in the scheme. When we came to Koh Samui the first time, we were enjoying looking at the other developments on the island, and one of the things that struck us was the beauty of the local materials and limestones, which led us to develop a system over a period of time where we could actually clad the building with Balinese limestone, which is called sukabumi. And this has been developed into a really delicate and quite sophisticated palette of different greys and greens that has been almost the base colour for the palette of the colour scheme of the whole development.